Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Khubor bamta kasngi. Ka Shillong Lajong FC kelas dang bha ya ka limpung Durand kap arhajar arpsan da kajing job ka ba crowd dan rugo la not persha eka kinhun Malaysian Armed Force FC ha kajing ile kai kabla long hne kasngi Haji and Sport Complex Shillong. Ha gani ka jingya kun la sakhi ka jingya le kai ka bla dap da jing sngo kemen ba ka jing sngo sarong na ki pat ba ki bla wan ban kershan ka kinhun na ka jilla ki rang le kai ka Lajong ki la Pynbam ka bor le kai ba ka jing trei chitam ka ba shirham u ever bright sun sana million pada ula play ya ka goal ningkong ha ka minute ba cutway ka jingya le kai kala nang jam shaprang hadin ba uprang ki buam ula thep argol kindet ha ka minute ba south nyau bat south hokndai kabala pelong ya u kum urang kensai nong thep gol jong kasngi u di tong peru ula ai ka jingkot ka ba kraw ha ka jingele kai da ka ba thep argol ha ki minute ba khatdo prap nyau bat khandai pho plus south ka jingyo jingjob jong ka Shillong Lajong ha kani ka jingya kun ningkong kala pen khan shu shu ya ka jingkermen banya shaprang ha kani ka limpung ba pau na ka benta ka jingyele kai football ha kari India ha kani ka sngi la danang umentri rangba ka jilla u konrad ki sangma but umentri ka transport sports u ba shakliar warjri ki bla ai jingyero bat penslur ye ki rangele kai bar ye ka kinhun Shillong Lajong FC halor ka jingyo jingjob kabasngan bat kabala Pynbam ya kasap bat ka jingklan jangki.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, our dignitaries are on the ground. Our dignitaries are on the ground from the armed forces. We have Lieutenant General R.C. Tiwari. Yes, he is PDSS
Congratulations. Nice safe one.
Speed meets precision, thrill meets perfection. They are leaving behind a trail of awe.
Dedicated countless hours to master defined movements, complicated techniques, and innovative subjects that coloring And now, ladies and gentlemen, here comes the marching flag. The first flag, the one in red, is the Eastern Command flag. The second one in white is the Durand flag. And the flag in blue is the All India Football Federation flag.
So we are very happy and extremely proud that Shillong is one of the host cities for the Durand Cup for the second consecutive year. And this is, as I said, a great moment for us. We thank the armed forces for selecting Shillong as one of the host cities and for giving us an opportunity to host the Durand Cup this year once again in Shillong. And also Shillong, as you all know, is a football-loving city. Meghalaya state is a state where most of the population out here loves football. As a state government also, we are really pushing and promoting football at the grassroots level and even at the professional level. So we are very happy that this the Durand Cup once again has been hosted here. And as we're witnessing the first match between the Malaysian armed forces and our own Lajong club out here, football club, I'm very happy, and of course I'm here to support Lajong today in this very, very important match. So once again I would like to thank the armed forces for giving Shillong and Meghalaya the opportunity to once again host the Durand Cup.